Greetings to my dear esteemed viewers of Oculture TV. Today we are going to look at slab showering or removing of the supporters of the formwork of the slabs while we are constructing storage houses. This is called slab showering. So, slab showering, if you didn't know, is a thick flat piece of a solid substance such as stone, wood, metal that exists in any shape. It can be either rectangular or triangular, depending on the design of the house slab. Slab showering is a system of temporary support used to support the formwork of concrete slabs during constructions. But in different countries, people use different supporting mechanisms. Other places use metals, others use wood. Different countries have different construction technologies which is employed. But in Uganda, in most cases, we use the eucalyptus poles to act as the poles that provide the support, and then we add on the timbers or the boards. Yeah, that is how we do it in Uganda and in some countries of Africa. Showering supports formwork and fresh formwork at the top of the slab. Showering can be of a metal, wood, and it's removed when the slab has enough resistance to support the load in the process called stripping. Now, what you are doing now is stripping, because now we are going to strip off the showers, because now I have assessed and confirmed that the slab can now carry the load that was loaded on it. It can sustain itself. It can jump over all the weather conditions and all these other unforeseen issues. So now we are doing stripping. Other people confuse the two with scaffolding. Remember, scaffolding is used as a temporary platform to allow workers out at the site access work at heights. If you're working on a construction site, but where you're working you can't reach there, the place where you want to work is taller than you, then we come in and use the scaffoldings, which help us build at greater heights. In Chinese, they call a slab chimban. When we're in China, yes, chimban. When the Chinese call chimban, it means a slab. And when the Chinese is saying showering, he says chinchang. So slab showering in Chinese, when we are building with the Chinese, they will say ban chinchang, meaning slab showering in English. You can translate it into your local language, and then put it in our comment section, and then we discuss. Showering can be used in trenches during excavation, infrastructure repair, and in situations where temporary structural support is necessary. So we do not only use showering on storage building, but even in other even building slabs of septics, construction of trenches in the road, and very many culverts. So we use it widely in the areas of construction. But today we are striking off, and striking off in construction is the process of removing concrete forms after curing. But it is only done as you are seeing in the video, after concrete has enough strength to support its load. Before striking off forms, wait until it is strong. When removing forms from a slope, you can advise that you start from the top and endeavor to use a hammer. Consider weather factors before removing the forms, because different types of concrete have different behaviors in relation to different times. And remember, in frozen concrete won't dry, and rain can also slow down the drying processes. So remember to construct remember to construct a strong I'm back. Like, this issue of electricity is disturbing, but we'll move on. We'll complete. Remember to construct a stronger support for the forms, such that to achieve our goal. Remember, we build to last. Don't forget. And construction is in phases. After stripping off our supporters, we are going now to do some chiseling for the conduits, and then the JB, the MK boxes, and the inspection lines for the AC, Wi-Fi, plumbing. And one of our viewers, Stones Engineers, I greet you. From our comment section, you added that you asked that why don't you people talk about electrical provisions? And because of your question, remember, electricity is a type of energy that consists of a movement of electrons between 2 points when there is a potential difference between them. And in electricity in China, they call it jian. And remember, we need electricity in our homes for entertainment, appliances, heating, and lighting. But don't forget that we have a renewable energy which is generated from solar, wind, water,